Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can enable your name drop on iPhone. So name drop on iPhone means just wirelessly Bluetooth transferring your contact from your iPhone to your another iPhone or from your iPhone to your friend's iPhone, alright? It's basically like switching your contact information from one iPhone to another. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel, How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first thing first, it's pretty simple. You don't have to enable anything. You just have to turn on your airdrop mode on iPhone. So to turn on airdrop mode, you just have to scroll down and then over here where it says Wi-Fi logo, hold on that little box and you can see this option called airdrop. So click on airdrop and make sure click on everyone for 10 minutes. Once you do that, now for 10 minutes you can do this name drop thing on iPhone. How to name drop is basically you need to do this. So you need to make sure your friends airdrop is also on, and then place your phone just like this on top of each other like this. In this photo how it's shown, you want to do exactly that. Once you do that, basically iPhone will automatically send you something like this over here, like name drop. Just like this, you should receive this information, and just like that you have just enabled your name drop on iPhone. Now if you close your airdrop mode again, basically you will not be able to do this name drop thing on iPhone. So make sure your airdrop is on and try to put your phone on top of each other like this and it should work. Make sure the phones are close to each other, alright? Don't put it too far away from each other, it's not going to work. But that's it for today's video on how to enable name drop on iPhone. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.